Hello there. My name is Bartholomew, and thank you for joining me here. I have something valuable to share based on my own experience. So let me ask you the following first. Do you yearn for the incredible freedom of income online anywhere? Just imagine it, working from home or from a beach resort, feeling like you're on a perpetual holiday at your own leisure and whenever you choose. I'm sure you long to break free from your employment and become your own boss, allowing you to take vacations whenever you want, at any time you freely decide. Well, I've discovered the way and I can help you. But first, kindly listen to how I got there. During the pandemic, working from home seemed like a dream come true. More time with family, no more tiresome commutes, and escape from the stresses of the office. However, the reality was different. Despite working from home, I found myself spending even more time in front of my laptop than I ever expected, sometimes exceeding 12 hours a day. What's more, I grappled with feelings of guilt whenever I took breaks or stepped away from my laptop to do things you typically wait to do until the weekend. I wondered, how can I channel all this energy to become my own boss and be on a perpetual holiday, not having to report to anyone? So first, I tried trading in cryptocurrencies, but faced numerous risks. And as everyone knows, the crypto market is highly volatile. It was amazing during a bull market, but when the crypto winter arrived, I realized trading wasn't for me. I needed something else to complement. So I decided to explore different aspects of e-commerce. For example, I tried drop shipping and spent months building my own store, finding my niche products, and then designing a strategy to find my winning product. I really enjoyed building the store, selecting products, and all the design aspects of the website. But then I did not enjoy the time it took to gain traction, dealing with customer complaints, supplier frustration, products going out of order, long shipping times. And to top it off, I just didn't like dealing with Facebook and Google ads and their algorithms. It just basically drained my savings. And then I thought, well, I'm going to look at this affiliate marketing. Everyone's talking about it. As we know, it's selling other people's products and earning a commission. So I began to explore Amazon affiliates, but commissions were too low. I needed something even better. And then the game changer. I discovered high ticket affiliate marketing, selling other people's digital products that provide high commission. So why? Well, it's low risk, low investment. The whole approach is highly scalable. It's free to get started. I targeted commissions from my niche of products between 30 and 100% of the advertised product sale value. The best part is you're free from product inventory worries. No products to manage, no suppliers to deal with, no shipping delays, no customer complaints, or customer service to deal with. It can't get better than that. So if you're ready to take this first step towards financial independence, just look at this amazing free ebook offer I have that helps you get started. So here it is. To get your free book, visit my site, mariobartholomew.com, or you can scroll down below the video and click the link in the pinned comments to get to the same site, your free ebook gift. The free proven steps to quit your 9-to-5 job with high ticket affiliate marketing. So remember, I mentioned throughout the video, you don't need a product. You are selling other people's product. You need very little experience, and certainly you don't need to be a tech expert. So visit my site and click the free book download, and you'll be on your journey saying goodbye to your 9-to-5 job create passive income, shows you how to build a life of complete time and financial freedom, work from anywhere at any time, and create multiple passive income streams on autopilot, which is what allowed me to have my freedom and do what I need to do anytime, anywhere. Thank you. So don't miss out on this valuable resource. As a reminder, please scroll down below this video and click the link in the pinned comments or in the description to get your free ebook gift and start your journey to success with high commissions in affiliate marketing. You'll have the opportunity to earn income online anywhere, just like I'm doing now. So thank you for listening.